We tested 38 samples of commonly sold bread in Delhi, and for two chemicals, potassium bromate and potassium iodate. Potassium bromate is a class 2B carcinogen, which means that it is a possible cancer-causing agent to humans. And excess use of potassium iodate can cause thyroid problems. So both these chemicals have been banned in many countries. Many international agencies, including WHO, FAO, Codex, advise against use of these chemicals in bread and bakery products. Our study establishes that in about 80% of the samples, both potassium bromate and iodate was detected, okay. Which is bad for consumers because, as I said, one is a possible cancer-causing agent, and another can cause thyroid problems.
All right. So as you pointed out, Mr. Bhushan, potassium bromate, you're saying it's a possible cancer-causing item, and besides that, it's known technically as a genotoxic carcinogen. Now, as you also pointed out, the WHO has said that very clearly something like this as a flawed treatment agent is not really appropriate. It's been banned in so many countries, the UK, Canada, Australia, just to name a few. So why really has action not been taken against this particular substance in India?
Well, this is the question that you need to ask FSSAI, but I want to say here that I have just heard from other news channels that FSSAI has agreed to ban potassium bromate and issue the notification very soon, and it has also agreed to investigate and see if it wants to ban potassium iodate. So it wants to do some study before it takes its decision on potassium iodate. But I want to say that most countries banned it in between 1992 and 2012. India should have banned before because this chemical, potassium bromate, is something that shouldn't be there in bread. And also that the alternatives are there. Alternatives are easily available, are economically viable. It is not going to increase the price of our bread if we move to safer alternatives. So this should have been done quite some time back.